Hello guys, this is Mayank Rastogi and I'm making this video today to give you a demo of a augmented reality app that I was creating for my college project. So what we have over here is a set of image targets. So what we will be doing is our app will be able to recognize these objects and overlay virtual objects on top of it and virtual scenes on top of it. So let me pull up the app. You can see there is a recording, nice sound playing in the background. We have a set of fruits, some bread and some pancakes, and it's an outdoor breakfast theme. And if you look above, then there are clouds which are uh, moving with the wind. So this is all for the breakfast scene. So now we are using this drink. So now you can see there is a cow, a milk bottle, there is a tea pot, there's coffee, there's cheese, and there's a coffee maker back there. Now we have a cereal box, and if you notice, here there is a honeycomb kind of beehive structure over here. And there is a honeybee which is collecting nectar from the flowers below and then depositing it in the hive. Here we have a cute mascot of the wasp we have some trees which are animating. And if you turn it around, you can see the full view. I can even pick up the object and move this around. Now we'll be looking at a second cereal box. So this is a more sci-fi theme. We have an alien terrain down below and some plants and mushrooms which are alien by nature. We have a hovering air drone, and this is the animated mascot that we have rigged. Similarly, we have Apple Jacks, a box of Apple Jacks. So here we have a cereal bowl, and there is a apple tree with some apples hanging on it. You can see that the tracking is pretty good. Now we'll be looking at a magazine. So it has this previous and next buttons which you can press with your hands. So I'll press the next button now and the page turn, and you can see and read the content. So if you can see my hand, then I'm pressing the buttons using my hand. So as soon as it obstructs this area of a magazine, I can switch between the pages. We have the milk and the cereal box. So now let's see what happens when we bring both of these together. So these objects feel threatened by each other, and we can see that the bees come out of their hive, and the cow is a psychic, so it starts shaking these objects which are in her ear. Let's try the same thing with two different objects this time. So we have the apple jacks, and we have the cereal box too. And when I bring them close, then you can see the apples drop off from the tree from there, and the mushrooms grow over there. So when I take them back, the apples will magically go up. Now let's see what happens when we put them on the placemat. So I'll try with the apple jacks first. So I have my apple jacks scene right here. Now when I place it on the placemat, then the mascot is excited that about this cereal, and you can see the scene of the cereal box has vanished, and it's showing the nutrition information. Now similarly, I'll remove this and I'll put the second cereal box that I have. So as soon as I put it here, its scene vanishes, and the mascot is not very happy with the cereal box. And now I'll put the milk. As you can see, the milk is tasty for the mascot. Ooh la la! And now he's super excited about the honey cereals.
Well, that covers most important aspects of the app. I hope you liked it and thanks for watching.